In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to synchronize a filter with a filter action in Tableau. This skill is incredibly useful when you want to create interactive and dynamic dashboards that respond in real time to user inputs. So let's get started and walk through this process step by step. First things first, you need to launch the Tableau app. If you haven't already installed it, make sure to do so from Tableau's official website. Once you have Tableau up and running, head over to your worksheet. This is where your data comes to life, allowing you to visualize information in compelling and effective ways. Once you're in your worksheet, the next step is to navigate to your dashboard. Think of your dashboard as the canvas where the full picture of your data comes to fruition, integrating various sheets for a comprehensive analysis. So, go to the Dashboard tab, ready to enhance it with interactive filter actions. Now that you're on your dashboard, look to drag a sheet to the canvas. And in our example, we'll begin with something like a map. This visual representation forms the basis of your interactive feature, guiding user interaction with geographic or other thematic data. Simply click and drag your chosen sheet onto the workspace of the dashboard. With your map or sheet in place, the next critical thing is to enable this sheet to act as a filter. To do this, you must click on the drop-down arrow that appears on the upper right corner of your selected sheet. From the menu that appears, select the option Use as Filter. This will effectively make the sheet interactive, allowing selections made on this sheet to filter the data on other sheets included in your dashboard. Once you've set up your first sheet as a filter, you'll want to synchronize this with another sheet. To do so, click back to your next sheet, locate the drop-down menu again, and this time, select Filters. This action permits you to apply and manipulate filter settings on your data. Finally, in the filter settings, it's crucial to select the appropriate action for your filter, and in this instance, you'll be selecting Action State. By selecting this, you're ensuring that the action you're implementing will indeed act upon the specified state or conditions that you've defined within your Tableau visual environment. And there you have it. You've successfully synchronized a filter with a filter action in Tableau. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your dashboards are not only interactive, but also provide a seamless and user-friendly experience. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different data sets and visual styles to see what works best for your specific needs. Thank you for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you in more of our tutorials. Happy dashboarding!